Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. I am Alvin Brown with Ignition Martial Arts, and today we will be going over our traditional bow form. Now this bow form was designed in fact by Ignition Martial Arts. It is a very dynamic bow form. Now there are a couple of techniques that we will be doing tutorials on those separate techniques, such as our rapid fire, our inside scooping block, and our baseball swing sequence. So as you're going through the form, just make sure that you've already gone over those techniques. If not, just look out for those videos. We will be having those added, and those are the ones that you can look for if you want to go over those techniques separate. Now that being said, we're going to go ahead and go through the breakdown of the overall form. So starting off, we're going to go into our grab, left palm down, right palm up, into our ready stance. We're going to bring it to our shoulder, go into our attention stance, and bow, extending the bow staff out. From here, we're going to bring that left arm up, bring it across, shoulder level. We're going to turn to our right, do a figure eight into a downward strike. From here, we're going to chamber for our 5 strikes. And then from here, we're going to step back into a cat stance, inside scooping block. We're going to do a stab, and then step out into a right front stance, overhead strike. From here, we're going to turn, cat stance, inside scooping block the other way. Then we're going to go into our figure eight, downward strike, front stance. From here, we're going to chamber, and we're going to go into our rapid strikes one more time. From here, we're going to step back into a scooping block, stab, step into a front stance, overhead strike. Now we're going to step that back leg around, stepping towards the front, doing an overhead strike, striking high, low, low, high, pulling the bow staff to the chest, going into a low block, and then a high block. As we pull the bow staff down from the high block, we're going to execute a front kick, turn the bow staff to the side, roundhouse kick, flip the bow staff, and do a spinning side kick, overhead strike with a nice loud kia right here. From here, we're going to turn, do a step 360, figure eight into a traditional strike, followed by another traditional strike. Then from here, we're going to pull the bow staff to our chest. We're going to step into a cross-legged stance, downward pressing block. From here, pull the bow staff in, step into a reverse front stance, and then from here, swinging around, we're going to do a reverse front stance, reverse stab. From here, we're going to shift into a back stance, keep our bow staff vertical, and set it up for our baseball swing sequence. Stepping, going over the head, step 360, go over the head to the opposite shoulder. Step one more time, going into a downward strike, kia. From here, we're going to figure eight, step into a horse stance towards the front, go into our rapid fire one more time. And as we finish, we're going to step into a right front stance, overhead strike. From here, we're going to do an inside scooping block, shift into our left front stance. Then from here, we're going to do a low overhead strike, going to the knee. Then from here, we're going to bring the right foot around into a middle block. Then from here, we're going to do an overhead strike low one more time. And then we're going to do a chop with a nice loud kia to finish the form. From here, we're going to bring it back around to our chest, step up into a ready stance. From here, bring our left hand up, step our left to right into our attention stance, and that concludes the form. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.